One important thing to note about the Xiaomi Watch S3 is that, unlike some other smartwatches, this model does not support the installation of third-party applications. While it comes with a variety of built-in features such as fitness tracking, notifications, and more, the software is limited to what's pre-installed by Xiaomi. This means you won't be able to expand its functionality through external apps, but the existing features are designed to offer a smooth and well-rounded user experience. Overall, the Xiaomi Watch S3 provides a reliable and seamless smartwatch experience, focusing on simplicity and ease of use. It's perfect for those who value practicality over extensive customization. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found the information helpful, and feel free to like or subscribe for more content like this.